Good morning and welcome to your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. Have some overcast skies out there this morning as we did have some showers and thunderstorms pass through the region overnight and early this morning. They are since well east of us now, and we should see some of these clouds start to break up a bit, allowing some sunshine to get through. Otherwise, fairly mild morning, and we'll have a very spring-like week this week with some warm days, a few sunshine days, and then a few waves of some precipitation moving through the region. If we take a look at the current surface analysis, we do see some of those showers that came through overnight and into this morning have pushed off to the east, and we have a few boundaries lingering around in the region. And we'll see a fairly decent day today, and then those boundaries will start to move. One of those boundaries start to move north through the region, bringing us another chance for some showers and thunderstorms as we get into Tuesday evening and Wednesday. Looking at the current conditions as of this morning at 8 a.m., we do have overcast deck at 2,200 feet. Winds are fairly light out of the south at 6 knots. Temperature is at 61 degrees and relative humidity is at 94%. Looking at the radar loop, we do see those thunderstorms that were in the area this morning, early this morning, bringing us a lightning advisory and warning. They have moved well off to the east, so they should not be of any concern as we go throughout the day today. Jumping over at the current visible satellite imagery, we do have that low cloud deck that's kind of over much of the Delmarva Peninsula. Expecting that to break up a bit as we get into the afternoon, seeing some sunshine get into the area, and then we'll see another increase in clouds as we get into the overnight hours as that boundary starts to lift and move through the Wallops area. Looking at the short-term high-resolution model, this is the NAM 3 kilometer. Again, as we go through the day today, expecting conditions to be dry and just cloudy, and we'll see some breakup in the clouds. As we get into the overnight hours, we'll see some increased cloudiness, but not expecting a great chance of any precip. Getting into our Tuesday, we'll see a very slight chance of seeing a few sprinkles in the area as we have that boundary start to move through, but there are better chance as we get into Tuesday evening of seeing maybe a few showers in the area. And then as we get into Wednesday, the chance of precip will drop a bit and then become more likely as we get into the afternoon hours of our Wednesday, seeing a better chance of some rain showers and a good chance of seeing some thunderstorms embedded with those. So looking at the 24-hour weather risk chart, again a fairly nice day. On the warm side, we should see temperatures get into the upper 70s as we move throughout the day today. Winds will be fairly light out of the southwest, becoming a little more westerly as we get into the afternoon. Around 5 to 10 knots, could see a few gusts up to 15 knots. And then we'll see winds become fairly light as we get into the overnight hours before shifting to a more onshore flow as we get into our Tuesday with a northeast wind about 5 to 10 knots. Again, we'll see a period of some clearing as we get into the afternoon hours, but then we're expecting those clouds to build back in as that boundary starts to move around as we get into the early morning hours of our Tuesday. For a evening low, we're expecting temperatures to get down to the mid to low 50s overnight. Tides are running about a half a foot above normal at the moment. But green across the board for weather risk, not expecting any significant weather as we go throughout the day, so fairly nice day. If we look at the next couple days, Tuesday will be a mostly cloudy day, some filtered sunshine coming through. We'll have that cool onshore breeze. We'll keep temperatures below normal, expecting a high of about 60, 62, low 60s. Very slight chance again of a sprinkle in the late afternoon, early evening hours, but we'll see a better chance as we get into Tuesday night. Again, mostly cloudy to overcast with a chance of those rain showers, and a very slight chance of seeing a thunderstorm Tuesday night with a low of 53. So we do have the yellow for that precip chance Tuesday night, and with the precip, reduced visibility and ceilings also have a yellow warning there. As we get into Wednesday, it will be a more active day. We'll have mostly cloudy to overcast conditions with a chance of showers in the morning and then an increased chance as we get into the afternoon and evening hours, and a decent chance of seeing some thunderstorms embedded with those showers as a boundary and low pressure system moves through the region. Do expect a fairly warm day for Wednesday. I hope to destabilize the atmosphere a bit with a high of 79. Well, that will wrap up the 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We'll be back again at 10 a.m. to take a look at the extended forecast. Have a nice morning.